What if I told you that GPT-5 could build an entire Twitter-like app from scratch in just minutes? Imagine creating dynamic CRMs, interactive websites, or even 2D games, all with just few lines of text. GPT-5 isn't just a tool, it's changing the way we approach front-end engineering. In this video, I'll show you exactly how GPT-5 can speed up your workflow, automate development tasks, and even think creatively like never before. Stick around to see how this AI can completely transform your engineering process. GPT-5 is here and it's revolutionizing front-end engineering. I've tested it with a range of prompts, and let me tell you, GPT-5 is not just writing code, it's building complete applications, designing interactive user interfaces, and even making games. In the past, building these projects took hours, but now GPT-5 can do it in minutes. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how GPT-5 is changing front-end engineering and why it's a must-have tool for modern engineers. Let's start with what makes GPT-5 so unique for front-end engineering. Unlike previous models, GPT-5 can now create full-scale applications with just one prompt. The core value here is speed and efficiency. What used to take hours of coding now takes minutes. In the past, front-end engineering was all about manual work, writing out HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and testing everything from scratch. With GPT-5, you can automate all of that. Simply tell it what you need and it will generate working code for you. Example 1. To see this in action, I asked GPT-5 to create a Twitter-like app. I gave it a simple prompt: make a Twitter app with a modern black and white UI, functional buttons, and default profile icons. And just like that, GPT-5 generated over 900 lines of code, building the front end for a fully functional app. Not only did it create the UI, but it also gave me a preview button so I could see it in action directly in my browser. Another example, this isn't just same static page. GPT-5 included profile pictures, explore feeds, notifications, and even direct messages. And remember, this took minutes, not hours. Another example, backend integration. But GPT-5 doesn't stop at just the front end. When I asked it to add a backend for the app using Node.js and Express, it did it in minutes as well. GPT-5 generated the backend code and even gave me instructions on how to deploy it locally. Normally, you'd need to set up backend and frontend separately. With GPT-5, it's all taken care in one code. Another example, creating a dynamic CRM. Now let's test GPT-5 with something more complex, a CRM system. I asked it to create a drag and drop CRM with animated effects, shiny CSS, and even confetti when a deal is won. In just minutes, I had a working CRM system with drag and drop features, animated confetti, and card effects, all thanks to GPT-5. The best part, I didn't write a single line of code myself. GPT-5's strengths and weaknesses. Of course, as powerful as GPT-5 is, it's not perfect. One thing GPT-5 struggles with is tool use. While it's excellent at generating code, it has a hard time interacting with third-party tools like Premiere Pro or Photoshop. For tasks like video editing or graphic design, it's not quite there. Another limitation is its reliance on external images. When creating a website, GPT-5 defaults to generic images from sources like Unsplash rather than using custom images, which can sometimes limit the creativity of your project. So what have we learned about GPT-5 in front-end engineering? It's faster, smarter, and more capable than any previous version. From building fully functional apps to creating interactive CRMs and even games, GPT-5 is truly a game changer. The best part, it doesn't just save your time, it automates the repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more creative and strategic aspects of engineering. If you are excited to start using GPT-5 for your own front-end projects, hit that subscribe button and check out our next video.